Let me start with the part most videos won't say. You can't reliably dodge a crash. To do it, you would have to be right twice, once getting out and once getting back in. And the people who get out often stay out through the recovery, which does more damage than the fall did. So this isn't a video about avoiding one, it's about understanding one. A crash is a fast repricing. The companies don't usually change overnight. What changes is what people are willing to pay for the same earnings, because fear replaces optimism. That's why crashes can happen without any single piece of bad news that explains them. Market declines are a normal feature, not a malfunction. Drops of 10% happen frequently across market history, and larger falls arrive periodically too. Investing has never meant a smooth line upward. It has meant accepting a bumpy road in exchange for growth over long periods. Certain things tend to break first. Anything bought with borrowed money, because lenders demand repayment at the worst moment. And anything priced for perfection, because when a stock already assumes everything goes right, there is nothing left to absorb disappointment. That is exactly why every stock page shows valuation next to the health of the business. Not to predict a crash, but so you can see how much has to go right for today's price to make sense, and how much debt the company would be carrying into a bad year. The macro dashboard does the same at the market level. Valuation, leverage, credit, and breadth. When several of those are stretched at once, the environment is more fragile. Fragile doesn't mean imminent. Conditions can stay stretched for years, and many people have lost money betting on a top that arrived far later than they expected. So here is the honest boundary. Nobody can tell you when a crash starts, how far it goes, or how long it lasts. Not us, not a hedge fund, not the confident person in your feed. What data can tell you is what you own, what you are paying for it, and how much borrowed money is in the system around you. That is far more useful than it sounds. Knowing what you actually own and what has to go right for it to work is the difference between a fall being frightening and a fall being survivable. Seeing it clearly is the part that is actually in your hands. Every number here is on the page, with the date it came from, smart charts. The stock market, explained in plain English. Nothing here is financial advice.